That's going to be really nice. If I had $1 for every time I forgot to turn on the shop vac, I could have paid for multiple of these. Let's open it up, check it out. I picked up this Ortis vacuum switch. It was on sale at Amazon for Prime Day, a few bucks less than it usually is. Not a big sale, but I went for it. All right, here's the vac. So with the vac plugged in, you can flip it to off or auto. Now it's on auto. Plug in my orbital. Like a 7-second delay on that. That's beautiful. Cool. Just need to get the wiring sorted out to make it a little more convenient for how I'm going to use it. The only thing I wish was that it had a bigger cord, because I'm going to attach this to my shop vac cart, but I think most people might just mount it on the wall next to an outlet. They do make a more expensive one that has some custom delays, but I'm not really sure why it's worth the extra expense. I'm not that particular. For this dust collector, it seems like powering on any tool and giving it a slight delay to kick on the shop vac makes sense. And then when you're done doing whatever you're doing, 7 seconds just to clean up any, existing dust that may be in the lines or something seems to make a lot of sense. I wouldn't adjust that anyway. If you're interested, check out this reel on emptying this dust collector and see what dust could have made it through the cyclone, then the bag filter, and the HEPA pleated filter.